In this video, I'll be showing you how to add a section in Wix. So this is a page I have in Wix. It's a page in my Wix website. So when I hover over any existing section, you already see here, add section. And then I can simply click on that button and it's going to give me this here. So what is expecting me to do is to add an element here. So what I can do, let's say if I want to add this welcome section, if I want to add a gallery or theme or anything of that sort, let me just say I want to add my theme. I'll just click and drag it there. So it's added my theme there now, but you see that it's not going to look very well because I didn't add enough space. So what I need to do is I need to click on this and drag it to give it more breathing space. So that is my theme. And then you can change these elements here. Maybe you don't want this text. You can just delete that. You can just remove that. And then you can come to the theme and you can change the images of the team members individually. So that is how you add a section in Wix.